Athena here?
Mm-mm.
You took her back home?
Yep.
Okay, because I haven't seen her come out of the room yet, so it's like...
Chicken bill, got you getting all on top of me. You love me. You love me, got you. You wanna go on a walk? You wanna go on a walk, Gotti? Gotti wanna go on a walkie? You gotta be sweet. Give daddy kisses. You give kisses if you wanna go on walkie. Big old blockhead. Big old blockhead dog. You getting so big, y'all. I done lost my voice from yelling at the fights last night. Ow, yeah. He puts his ass in my face every time. Ow. Hey, we'll go on a walk? You better calm it down. You want to go on a walk, you better be a good boy. Give me kisses. Just okay, I'll forgive you. Ow. Ow, Gossy. No, Gossy. Ow. You want to go on a walk? That's the only thing that makes him stop, y'all. You want to go on a walk, Gossy boy? You want to go on a walk? Okay, let's go on a walkie. You want to go outside? You can go outside and go on a walk. Tell the people you want to go on a walkie. Okay.